Welcome, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store, and in the search bar enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK, and you could see information about your battery temperature. In my case that's 28 and 3 degrees. And also you could find here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.